Hello, and welcome to the next episode of the E-Academy. This time, we'll talk about schedules and their role in managing the BEWAVE system. So, what is a schedule? In short, it's a time frame defined by the user. We use it to specify when and for how long selected functions or devices should be active or inactive. In a single-byte BEWAVE system, you can set up as many as 50 independent schedules. And what's more, each schedule can be reused to control different devices. Let's open the app and see how to create a simple schedule. As an example, we'll set one up to control the heating system. To get started, go to Settings by tapping the cogwheel icon in the menu bar at the bottom of the home screen. Next, select Schedules. Now tap Add Schedule. Enter a name, let's call it Heating. Next, you'll see a list of days of the week. For each day, you can choose whether the schedule should be active. Let's select Monday. Now we can set the time frame. The hours when the schedule should be active or inactive. An important point. The schedule we're creating will be used to control the operation of the Smart Thermostat radiator head. Why do I mention that? Because when the schedule is active, the thermostat maintains the daytime temperature you've set. During inactive periods, the nighttime temperature will apply. That's why it's important to keep in mind the temperature set for each period. Okay, let's save this time period. One of the advantages of the BEWAVE solution is that you can add up to 3 different time periods within a single day. Now we can move on and set time periods for another day. It's also possible to use the Copy to Another Day option, which lets you apply the settings from one day to other days as well. For simplicity, let's mark all the remaining days and confirm by tapping Copy. Finally, we save the schedule we've created. A message appears confirming that the schedule has been added. Now tap Finish. And there it is. The new schedule has been added to our list. The next step is to assign the schedule to the appropriate device. So let's go back to the home screen and find the heating group, the one the Smart Thermostat was previously assigned to. Here it is. Now tap the device's name to open its settings. Then tap the Schedule field. From the list, select the schedule we just created and tap Save. Okay, the name of the selected schedule now appears next to the Schedule field in the device information. In the same way, you can assign additional schedules to automatically control other devices, such as indoor and outdoor lighting, sprinklers, or roller blinds. What's more, schedules can also act as triggers for routines. But we'll talk more about that in a future episode. To edit or remove a schedule, go to Settings, then Schedules, just like when creating a new one. Now tap the name of the schedule you want to change. 2 options are available: Edit Schedule and Delete Schedule. Just choose the option that suits your needs at the moment. And that's everything about schedules. It's worth noting that the BEWAVE system offers even more options for automatically controlling devices and their functions, including the use of the so-called astronomical clock. Both this feature and the routines we mentioned earlier, which will make use of the schedule creation skills we've covered today, will be presented in upcoming episodes of the E-Academy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.